Hello guys, welcome back. This is RandoGEEK. Alright guys, so I wanted to share what I consider a great budget option for some of you that are looking to get on the T-Mobile network, get that high-speed 5G LTE data without paying a lot out of your pocket. So let me just, off the bat, not affiliated in any way with this company. I purely just want to share with you guys. Alright, it seems like a great deal, especially if you're on a budget and you just want good service, you want to be on T-Mobile's network, and you want good value with unlimited data, talk, and text. All right, so what we have here is we have Hello Mobile, all right, and we have a couple of things that I want to go over. First is they have the $25 unlimited plan, which is what piques my interest. All right, you get the 4G LTE / 5G high-speed unlimited data, talk, and text per line. All right, so I was able to speak with a rep here just to confirm because the details weren't very clear, but I'm told this is uncapped data. All right, now I do want to say that you're probably going to be in the ballpark of QCI 9 as far as priority, meaning obviously if you're next to somebody and you're running a speed test and that person is on T-Mobile postpaid, you might see a slight ding in your speed, in your numbers. However, it's not going to be enough for you to care. Not at this price point. All right? So, the $25 a month plan, you're getting your second month free if you sign up. All right? You get the 4G, LTE, 5D, and 5G data. You get unlimited international calling to select countries. There's a list of the countries that are on there. All right? Let's just pop that up. So here's your list here. All right. So good amount. Good amount. All right. What else are you getting? You get the free SIM card kit, no hidden fees, activation fees, and taxes. All that they said is included. You will have to pay $15 though for extra hotspot. All right. So no hotspot. But overall, 25 unlimited uncapped, not a bad deal, all right? Also, this is the kicker here. If you're somebody with a big family, you need to add lines. This is where this really grabs you. So, all right, 2 lines, 40. 3 lines, 55. 4 lines, $70. All right? 5 lines, $85. So this is actually a very good value, which is why I'm sharing it with you guys. Now, again, the priority, you're not getting the best priority, but it's also livable. All right. It's not bad unless you're competing with somebody in a speed test or you're in a super crowded area. You're not really going to notice it. And 90% of the people are not popping speed tests all day long. There's a select few of people that do this for fun, mostly for content. Maybe if you're bored, but on a regular, this is for people that are on a budget or just don't want to pay a lot of money, period. But they want T-Mobile's premium network. They want to get access to 5G. They want unlimited data, uncapped. This is a great deal for you guys. All right. So just wanted to share that with you. They have some other plans here as well, which are not bad. All right. They have, you can add on 5 gig high-speed data, unlimited talk, text per line. It's 4 gigs, 15 a month. All right. This is also great. And then also you have the 1 gig, which is not bad. 15 to 4 gigs is not bad either if you just want a little bit. It depends on you, but I would say go for this. Obviously, this is the big winner right here. And again, the lines, those discounted lines is very good if you're on a tight budget or if you just want another line and you don't want to pay too much out of your pocket. Good deal. I think so. So, again, probably looking at the ballpark around QCI 9. If someone knows, correct me. It's good to know. I've been doing a lot of checking around. I'm finding that it's probably in the ballpark of QCI 9. All right. From information that I'm getting, I did order the SIM, so it's going to be on its way. I'm going to do my own testing on the Pixel 6a, see how that comes out, see what my results are. I'm going to get on the $25 plan just to get some speed tests out, check everything out, and then, I'll let you guys know how the service works for me because I get very good T-Mobile coverage in my neck of the woods. But that's the video for you guys. For those of you that found this video helpful, hit that like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.